Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and the winds here are absolutely crazy. It has been howling here all morning. It's a bright sunny day, but you wouldn't know it because the winds are ice cold. Little girl! Little girl went out about 11 o'clock. I don't know where she is. Little girl! But it is really windy. My screen door has been banging. It's blowing the iPad. It's really nuts out here. About a week or 2 weeks ago, my cactus plant pot blew over and it broke off a piece of my cactus. Been there for 15 years, raised it from a pup. Earlier there was 21-mile-an-hour winds here. It's also windy in Pittsburgh and elsewhere. Pittsburgh, California, that is. All right, I want to drop my iPad. I'm going back inside. I don't know where my kitty is. Fluffy's fine. He's sleeping in the bedroom. So is little Fuzzy. All right, I just made a video. I'll post that later. I'm going to go back to sleep, go feed the cats, and start cleaning. No, probably no live video tonight. I'll decide how I feel. I banged my knee yesterday at Safeway because some guy wouldn't move the shopping cart. And I banged my left knee, and I must have banged my right knee on the scooter. My right knee is killing me. So my arms had to lift a lot of stuff. And my right arm is damaged, so... All right, this is the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. No phony trolls who claiming to be me and talking crap about me, Patty, and Kathy. That's all lies. I'm the real one. Bye-bye for now. Have a great day. Happy Mother's Day, and stay dry, stay warm, stay safe. Tie yourself down. Bye-bye.